What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful chimichurri sauce. Stay tuned. Chimichurri sauce is originally from Argentina. Now in Argentina they use the sauce as a basting, not so much as a marinade, but hey, who's to stop you if you want to experiment and throw that and use it as a basting. Few things to know about the sauce. You can make the sauce on the go. Preferably, you want to do it a day in advance, at least 10 minutes before you serve it. So the question always stands, how long can you store chimichurri sauce? Well, here's the answer. In the refrigerator, 3 days. But your leftovers you can store in a freezer. So what the guys do is they take their leftovers, throw it in an ice tray. Once it's ready and frozen, pop them out into plastic bags and then you can store them for up to 3 months at a time. But I'm going to show you today how easy it is to make this chimichurri sauce. Right, let's get straight to it. What we have here today, these are the ingredients you need. First of all, you need olive oil. You could use sunflower oil as well. I've got red wine vinegar here. That's preferred. You could use apple cider vinegar or anything else acidic that you would like. We've got our parsley here, quite a big bunch. You want to get rid of these stems, which we're going to do in a minute. Then another thing to note, you want to get your hands on the most freshest parsley that you can get. The reason for that is this is already a bitter sauce because of your parsley and your garlic and your oregano. Therefore, the darker the parsley, the more bitter you're going to end up with your sauce. We've got 2 cloves of garlic here. We've got a teaspoon of oregano, coarse salt, and some pepper. Then we've got some chilies over here. Your main sauce are the ingredients over here that I've just mentioned, and the chilies are optional. Some oaks might even throw in some chili flakes. Then lastly, not the least, warm water, just a shot of that, just to open up the flavors and get it ready to be used. Right, let's get to it. So basically what you need to cut off all the stems and then chop your parsley, not too fine because you still need some texture. You want to make sure that you're taking out all the seeds on your chilies. Well, that's what I do anyways. And I suppose there's not a right or wrong. Once you've prepped your parsley, your garlic and your chilies, only thing left to do, take all these ingredients, mix them in the blender. What you don't want to do is over grind or over blend your parsley. So we're just going to use a pulse function, just pulse and try get it to where we want it, and then remember at the end of the day if you need to add more oil you could do that. The rest of our ingredients stays the same. Excuse the noise guys. Guys, that's all there is to it. Have a look at that. And give it at least 10 minutes to rest. So all the flavors can blend and meld. I don't think I need to tell you guys, but this is beautiful. I had a sneak taste. So for you guys, let's do it again. I just want to show you what it looks like. Just going to put it in there to get a taste. Wow. You can taste the acidicness. It's got a little bit of bite because of those chilies. The parsley, although it's supposed to be slightly bitter, it's just perfect. Guys, if you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do this without you. We appreciate all you guys watching our content. Leave a comment below Let us know, maybe there's something you'd like us to do in the future. Thanks for watching once again. See you in the next one. Cheers.